What's up YouTube, it's your boy Joey Max back with another banger. And yeah, you guys see it, we got Jordan Paint in the cut.
Nah, he's retired, bro.
And we have
just Jordan this time.
BBC Brothers back with another banger. Back with another banger. And as you guys see, we have the 240 in the back. Today is the day. We are finally getting the kit on the car. As you guys will see in these clips, I went ahead and prepped the rear quarters. And as you guys can see, Jordan has a rough mock-up of how the kit's gonna sit.
Not gonna lie, bro, this is sketch. I never did this shit before.
And we're cutting the 240 up, fuck it, right? Alright YouTube, time to pick this fucking camera back up and show you guys what I got going on. So, as you guys can see, that's a dent Jordan put in my quarter. So, you know, it says Jordan Paints. I'm gonna try to get out the best I could, not really too worried about it since we are gonna have the over fenders on the car. And this is kind of how it looks stock. I'm gonna make my paint mark, I'm gonna cut it, and then show you guys the other side, because we did end up finishing this side, kinda. You know, we're gonna clean it up, but cut, welded. Don't look at my welds, they fucking blow. But yeah. I just marked and cut. Unfortunately, the camera wasn't on, but now let's cut this out and go from there. All right, boys, we got it cut. We got it cut. Don't troll me, bro. I'm doing it the way I figured out how to do it on YouTube. So I'm gonna cut it, fold it, sanded it down so my welds will hold. Hopefully it looks better than the last side. Let's get fucking to it, man. We learned, we're gonna get better.
Yeah, we're gonna grind it, make it look good.
This is how the garage setup's coming. We got the box, got the welder I need to set up, all the parts for it. Brand new welder, but looking good. So went ahead and threw the clears on here. And as you guys can see, that dent was caused by Jordan Paints that we got out. See how those are? That's why the rear's gonna be easy to mock.
Yeah, I'm gonna just put these two drill holes in that shit.
So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna set this up, and we're gonna start probably with the front end, getting the front end on, and then we'll go ahead and do the back. So I'm gonna give you guys a good angle so you guys can see and probably time lapse it and then talk through it. All right, guys, we ended up. Damn! Look, I got my. That's the Asian painter dude, the one that we put the cigarette in your mouth, bro. Look, he's installing my body kit. We went ahead and mocked this fender up. It's mounted. We put the hood on.
Hey, my boy.
I'm
the Porsche designer, right?
So
I'm the Porsche designer. We're gonna put one here. One here. And
chill. We're going ahead and we are getting some progress right now. So skirt's kind of on there, and we're going to be putting the over fender just so we can see what's going on before we really go crazy. But the front fender is on. We stop signing it because I'm going to need those holes. But we'll pick this back up in a little bit. Watch us install this fender. It's a little time lapse for you now. Yeah, boys, y'all just watched that. I didn't know I was still recording.
Hey, Alexa, pause.
Wait, were we time lapsing? And I was recording the whole thing, so I'll be able to get good clips from it.
Oh, all right, nice.
All right, guys.
All right, guys.
This shit looks like a car.
BBC Brothers here. We just mounted the over fender and the skirt's mocked up. We still gotta mount it. You grab the rear bumper.
Yeah.
All right, y'all boys. So we got the car, this side done.
Got me a temple?
Kitted. Temple, they're right by you. I got it. We're doing this fender now. I'm gonna set you guys up.
So, let's see the angle he got you on that. Oh, that's pretty fire. So now we remove our hammer as our hood latch, because as you see, this car has no front end, and we go down.
Please give us some of the money.
No.
Not at all.
That's where we move it. Look at this.
Yeah, that has to go under it.
It's not gonna.
Huh?
It's all the way down.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's down, bro. This line is nice. I think we're gonna get a good line on this side, a good line there instead of there, and then shit line here. That's how it always goes.
Oh, you've done a lot of these? Watch.
Bro, just in fender sucks.
All right, YouTube. As you guys see, I got this fancy old tool right here. It's like a rib nutter. This screws on.
Rib
and then
nutter.
You basically compress this, and as you'll see, I got one to do right here. Basically, just put it in the hole, and then you just compress it. Boom, and then untwist it up.
That's it right for the side?
Nope. No weird to me.
She finished it all the way here, that's where the shooters be. I just started.
Alright.
Alright, then you can throw this one here.
Where's the drill? Now, a lot of you that have drilled shit before, you know that, sometimes your hole you think is straight isn't really straight. What? And it goes to, like, when you go to drill, then you kick it sometimes, and then your hole's all fucked up. Well, with the self-tapper parts, you basically have a perfect, I guess, pilot point for it. And it just boom.
Alright, YouTube, here it is. We got the kit on, rear bumpers on. Pretty nice fitment for fiberglass. And this whole rear was thin too, and we got nice lines all around. Had to trim the kit, make some stuff work. You can tell right there. We're just trying to line up the bash wire.
So it looks cool.
Set the bumper on, the front bumper on there, because you have to wait until you weld the brackets and stuff. What do you think, bro?
So this is gonna go like something like this. And that'd be dope if you could see it through the pig nose.
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
That'd be cool.
What's up, guys? YouTube, I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around of what we ended up doing. So as you guys can see, rear over fenders are on. We did the rib nuts, so all riveted rear.
Yeah, a lot of these bitches are mad short.
We got the rear bumper on.
But then the pen siding is so
You see the little like trim marks there to make everything fit.
Hey, can you move the stand?
Jordan paints right here.
Move the stand. Yeah, we did it, boys. Know what I'm saying? We had to come. We had to make sure them lines were straight and crisp, you know what I'm saying? So like, we came through and we did a little thing or two, you know what I'm saying?
And all the fenders and everything's mounted. We're gonna adjust this one a little bit,
Yeah,
but we have to make a bracket for the front bumper.
Look at this line, bro. This line is so crisp, dog, for a little fiberglass kit. Woo! Your mama chicken fingers ain't even that crisp. Hey, that we come right here, look at that. Bam! We come here, flush as a mug. Come right here, look at that. Wing, wing.
All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video of us installing the kit.
BBC Brothers.
Finally done. Took us not too long, a couple hours.
Check us out on OnlyFans.
We out. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.